Old Boat to the Rescue.
Little Fairy has an important job. She delivers books and yummy treats for the little children living in Needy Island. Little Fairy loves seeing the happy smiles on the children's faces when she arrives with the treats. One day, as Little Fairy was chugging along, oh no! Little Fairy cannot move. How will she deliver the treats now? Little Fairy sees Yacht gliding by. Can you help me to bring the books to the children?
Me? Put those dusty books on my shiny deck? No way!
She then asked Jetski, who was rushing by. Can you help me to bring the treats to the children?
Me? Can't you see that I'm in a rush? No way!
It looks like no one wants to help Little Fairy until she sees Old Boat floating by. Can you help me bring these treats to the children?
Me? Although I am slow, I think I can do it.
Little Fairy loads Old Boat with all the books and treats, and soon Old Boat went on his way.
Hooray! Thank you!
You made it! Thank you, Old Boat. You have shown me that with determination and focus, you can achieve anything.